In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to learn how to add a vignette effect, which means adjusting the edges of your frame so the viewer's focus stays in the center. A vignette is commonly used for cinematic looks. It can darken the edges for a dramatic feel or lighten them for a soft white glow effect. Let's begin. First, select the clip on your timeline. Now go to the effects panel and search for Lumetri Color. Drag the Lumetri Color effect onto your clip. Next, open the Effect Controls panel. Under Lumetri Color, scroll down until you find the Vignette section. Here you'll see the Amount slider. If you move the Amount slider to the left, it creates a black vignette which darkens the edges of your video. If you move the Amount slider to the right, it creates a white vignette which lightens the edges instead. Now, adjust the midpoint slider to control how far the vignette spreads toward the center. Use the roundness slider to change the shape of the vignette, more circular or more oval. Finally, adjust the feather slider to make the edges softer and smoother for a natural blend. For most cinematic looks, a subtle black vignette works best, but depending on your style, a soft white vignette can create a dreamy effect. And that's it. You now know how to add and customize both black and white vignette effects in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.